Hey my beauties, it's Makeigurl back with another tutorial. Today I am doing a vintage classic look with the bold red lips. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, just continue to watch. As always, I love to start with priming my eyelid with the Girl ProConceal in the medium beige, and I always set it with translucent powder to make sure that my eyeshadows glide on perfectly. So out of the customized MAC palette, I have the little tan sandy brown. I am just using that as a transition color, and I sped it up a little bit because I was doing a lot of blending, just blending. So in the outer V and in the crease, I'm using Peony's shadow palette, trio palette, and that's the dark brown that's in the palette. So I am putting that on my outer V and also dragging it in the crease. Also in that same palette, they have a goldish vanilla looking color, and that's what I'm going to apply over my eyelid. So you see me doing that right here. And I sped it up because it was a lot of application to this color to build it up to the intensity that I want it. So as always, we're going to bring out that handy dandy Ruby Kisses liquid eyeliner in the color Blacker Than Black, and that's what I am doing my wing with. So yeah, that's what you see me doing, boo. So guys, if you have any like suggestions as far as what videos you would like to see, what makeup looks you would like to see, do not hesitate to either inbox me, drop it in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to create a video for you. And in my RCMA foundation palette, I am using that to highlight and to contour with. So that's what you see me doing there. And I do the underlay. Lately, I've been doing the underlay contouring. So I'm just in that phase right now where I'm doing underlays. And you know how you go through your phases, and then I'm probably going to switch soon and do something different. I always switch up my skincare routine and my foundation routine because it goes hand in hand, that skincare and that flawless foundation. Yeah, you can't have one without the other, or you're just gonna be cakey. So yes guys, make sure you check out my skincare videos as well. If you're looking for a little motivation, I do have some motivational videos as well as becoming a business owner and being on this entrepreneur journey. It is a trip. Now, the foundation that I've been using lately is very cost effective if you're looking for a full coverage foundation. And this is in the LA Girl Pro Coverage. I use the medium beige for my skin tone. But yeah, I've been using this lately because it's very cost effective and it just provides the coverage that I need here in Florida right now. I always switch up to. So I'm quite sure you're going to see me go back to a different foundation soon. I love the NARS Luminous in Barcelona and the color Barcelona. That is like my jam. Oh my goodness. That is my jam. I had to remove my earrings because it was getting on my nerves. Oh, what was I trying to say? Oh my goodness. So yeah, when you're doing underlay, you're just, you know, pretty much when you put your foundation over it, you really don't have to worry about, you know, if you're going to, you know, cover those certain areas. Just paint over them, girl. Just paint over it. That's why it's called underlay, because it's going to shine through. Just paint over that thing. So now using the LA ProConceal in medium beige and nude, this is what I cover them bags with and highlight my forehead with, girl. So just go ahead and do that. And can't I tell y'all that my tripod completely broke? I have my camera, I keep it 103. I have my camera propped up with some duct tape on the tripod. I'm not even gonna say it. Hey, nothing stops me. So using the Beauty Blender, I'm blending out that ProConceal, and then I set it, I lost that footage somehow, but I set it with translucent powder, and now I'm setting my entire face with translucent powder. And now I'm going over my contoured areas with the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. And in this video, I didn't wear any blush because I just wasn't feeling the blush with this look. I'm just not sure why, but I just wasn't. So in this particular lip liner is part of the LA Girl selection, and it is the Forever Red and the LA Girl lip liner. So now I'm going to go over my lip with NYX, with the NYX lipstick. It's called Chaos, and it's a very pretty red. And so I am definitely going over my lips right now, because a part of that vintage look, was always the red. And my new eyeliner that I've been using lately, which is the Maybelline's Master Precise, I am going into my waterline, just darkening up my waterline with that particular eyeliner. So underneath my waterline, I am going back into the Peony Trio palette, and I am just darkening up using the brown that I use in my crease. I'm just using that under my eye just a little bit, just to blend it out just a little bit, girls. Now the Tyra Beauty collection, which is light in the stick, that's what I'm using for a highlight today. And yeah, that's what I'm using. I haven't been really seeing her product out like I normally would see, so I gotta go on her website to see what new things she has out. So this is the finished look, and yeah, this it right here. Boom. Hello. This is when you be feeling yourself. And my music be playing, but people in my house be calling me at the same time. Y'all know how it is. But yes, so as always, I like to tell you guys to always aspire to inspire someone. Everyone deserves to have someone in their life just empower them and inspire them every single day. That's just my belief, and I hope that you take it serious when I do say that. So until next time, you guys have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day.